work, 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 work. He said me have to work, 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 work. Okay, my singing sucks. I'm gonna leave the singing to Rihanna. I think that's probably the best bet. My name is Tiffany, and today I'm going to bring you a quick review of Rihanna's Fenty skincare line. I got this from Rihanna's website. It is the starter pack, I believe that's what they call it. It's $40. It's a 3-piece, and it comes with the Total Cleanser, the Fat Water, which is a toner serum, and the Hydra Visor, which is the daytime moisturizer SPF. And then a week later, I also got a full size of the Instant Recovery Night Cream. So I've been using these products for a month now. And spoiler alert, speaking of work, these are amazing. And I paid for these with my own money. So everything I'm saying is my own opinion. All my thoughts about this, reviews, my own opinion. But if Rihanna or somebody from the Fenty team want to send me products for a review, I am down with that. Okay, definitely, yeah, I'm cool with that. All right, so let's get straight to the review. So the first step is the Total Cleanser. It's a creamy cleanser that removes dirt, oil, and makeup without stripping or drying. The feel of this product, it's lightweight and has a creamy consistency to it. The smell, it's a nice, light, clean scent. I would even say maybe a hint of rose, but it's not overpowering or strong at all. It's just a very light, clean, pretty scent. And I found with this product, you can use more or less with water depending on what type of lathering, cleansing effect you needed. I did use it to remove my makeup once. It worked okay. It removed my mascara and eye makeup pretty well. But normally I use makeup removal wipes. But yeah, I guess it would work in a pinch if you needed it to. And it does rinse off easily, and my skin did not feel dry or stripped of moisture. Next item is the Fat Water, which is the do-it-all toner serum that targets pores, improves the look of dark spots, brightens, smooths, and fights shine, all without stripping skin. And the feel of this product, it's I would say it's like a thick water, I guess hence fat water. There's no smell to it. It didn't really have a smell. It absorbed super quick, and I noticed that my pores were, after I applied it, very minimized. My skin was smooth, and my skin had sort of a, I'm not gonna say tight, but a firm feeling to it, as if it was like, not tight, but just a firm toning to it. So I'm not a toner user. I usually skip this step, but I like this product a lot. The Hydra Visor is a 2-in-1 sunscreen moisturizer that's lightweight, oil-free, and invisible on all skin tones. Claps back at dehydration, discoloration, and dark spots, and plays well with makeup, and zero flashback. So the feel of this product is, it's nice, light, silky smooth consistency. The smell of this product is similar to the Total Cleanser, that light, pretty, clean smell. And it applied very, very easily. To be an SPF moisturizer, it went on very smoothly, and it's very hydrating, but not oily. So I didn't feel like my skin looked oily after I applied it. And then when I put my makeup on after, I do agree it does work very well with makeup. So my makeup sort of glided on after the moisturizer. And then the last product is the Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. The website says, bounce back after one night, wake up to juicy skin, nourished, renewed, glowing. This rich gel cream moisturizer instantly hydrates, reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. In just 1 week, pores and dark spots look better. And what I like about this product, it's refillable. And it has a paddle scooper, so you just use the scooper to get the product, so you don't have to dig your fingers and get your fingers all messy in it, and you use less product. And I believe this was $40 for this one. This is the full size, and the consistency, it's sort of thicker, like yogurt, very spreadable, glides over your skin, and my skin felt instantly hydrated. It gave my skin a dewy appearance, not oily, just a dewy appearance. It didn't absorb as quickly as the Hydra Visor, but it does eventually absorb, and I just feel like my skin was hydrated all night long. So I'm going to give Rihanna's Fenty skincare 2 thumbs up. I love, love, love how my skin looks and feels since I've been using the products. It's healthier, it has a glow, the texture is smoother, the pores are minimized, and there's like some dark spots that I've seen that are lightening up, so that's great. And just overall, my skin it's just so hydrated and moisturized, especially during the winter months where my skin tends to get really, really tight and dry. I just noticed since using these, my skin is just really moisturized. Yeah, I love this, and I would definitely recommend this to someone who really wants to improve their skin texture as far as minimizing pores and just the clarity on your skin. And also, if you struggle with skin hydration, I think these products would be awesome to try. And you can get the 3-piece for $40, just to try it. You know, if you don't want to get the full size, it's a great way to just see if you like it, you know. But yeah, definitely, if you've used this before, let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like it? Why do you like it? If you don't like it, why don't you like it? And if you have any questions that I didn't answer, you can leave those down below as well. And if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.